Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to replace a valve block in a Mercedes W221. So guys, it's located on the passenger side. So what you do, you have to take out this passenger wheel. So you take a 17 millimeter. Alright guys, once the wheel is out of the way, we take out this inner fender liner. So this fender liner guys is held by some clips right here, and then we have a 10 millimeter plastic bolts, and then guys they're like 4 in number. So you take them out, and then after that guys we can take the fender liner out, because the fender liner guys is just located just behind this inner fender liner. The valve block is just located behind it, and guys this thing is just to help it, just to cover it up so that dirt and stuff and debris doesn't get into the place guys on a normal day-to-day drive. Alright, so the plastic guys is a 10 millimeter. Alright guys, towards the lower side of the car we have 3 more bolts holding the fender liner to the lower cover. So these are 2. So guys, these are 8 millimeter. So you take them out. Alright guys, once this is done, you can just take out the fender liner. You just pull it out all together. And one thing guys, I forgot, there is a connector holding the fender liner which is going to the suspension. So I'll just recommend guys, this time you just disconnect it. One of which is just right here. There's another one on top. So once you take them out guys, this fender liner is going to be free. You can just pull it out and it should come without a problem. So guys, this appears to be tricky, but it's out. So guys, when the fender liner is out, it exposes guys, this is our suspension compressor, and then up right here guys is our valve block. This is what we are going to pull out today. So this is the connections, and then guys these are the hoses, and then guys we have something like a power steering thing on the side. It's just blocking us from accessing the valve block. So guys, I'm just going to show you how to take it out. So you take 11 or 12 millimeter. You just open these 2 bolts guys holding this power steering thing right here. You may go ahead guys and loosen this 10 millimeters guys to just let this thing just be flexible. So guys, that's what we're going to do right now, and then once that is done, guys, I'll show you how it comes out. So you open this 12mm bolts. They are long bolts. Then once you take them, guys, then you can just like slide this thing out. You pull it back, you pull it gently. Don't get worried, guys, this thing has like a strong hose connecting to it, so it's not going to fall down. So you just let it just gently lie on the side of the front bumper. And then, guys, try to loosen the ball, this wiring harness. Just try to loosen them, and then, guys, create a small space where this valve block is going to come out from. So, guys, apparently, guys, this valve block is just held by this 10mm just right here on the side. So to begin with, you just open it up. So right, this 10mm bolt, guys, is out of the way. So we try pushing this valve block out of here. But first, guys, you have to disconnect this connector which goes in here. You just pull it out like that. You don't need to disconnect the whole of it. Then, guys, you try pulling it out. But if it's too tight, guys, you look for something like a primer. So I'm going to use, guys, something like this, just like a flat screwdriver. Then, guys, you just do that, it just breaks off from there. Then you just pull it forward, and then this, guys, is going to be loose. It's a bit tricky right here, guys. You just take your time, just pull it through, just create some small space right here. So right here where I'm pointing, guys, there's just is a sliding thing. It doesn't have a bolt on the other side, so it's just only one side with the bolt. Alright, guys, finally this thing is out. But remember, guys, there's a connector, guys, which holds to the valve block. It's just right here. I'm just going to show you guys how it's going to come out. Alright, once it's out, guys, normally I really recommend, guys, you don't open any hoses unless you have the other valve block, or, guys, unless these hoses are properly labeled with the right color. So, guys, they have like several colors, so this, guys, is like a sample. There's a yellow, there's a brown, there's blue, green, and then there's black and red. So make sure, guys, all the cables, the hoses go back to where their respective places. Don't mix them now, because once you mix them the system will not work. Alright, so I'm using guys 11 millimeter to open these balls. Sorry guys, it's a 10 millimeter. So I've just opened the red one and the black one. So I'm just opening all of them. And then guys, once all these are open from the way, then I can be able just to transfer them to the new valve block. Alright guys, the valve block is out. So we have this bracket guys behind it. So before we finish the process, we have to transfer the bracket, which is just right here. So guys, this is a Torx 25. So you just take them out. So guys, once this bracket comes out, make sure guys it goes back the same way as the way it came out. And then guys, you get in the new valve block. And guys, this valve block comes like with everything in there. So you just take out this white stuff guys from inside, and then you connect the other ones which came from there. You have to make sure guys all the right colors go to the right places, and you practically guys do everything in reverse, and then guys this thing is going to be complete without a problem. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.